2016 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, CD player, trip computer, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, power windows, tachometer, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.